This is a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Orchid Road. Now sitting on 310 square meters, comes with a swimming pool, a fully fitted kitchen. This house is in a well and serene environment, a call to access estate. Now if you look in the market looking to buy a home where you can grow your family and raise your kids, this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Orchid Road should be at the top of your list. If you're coming across my channel for a first time, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a second to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this house. In fact, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a video. Now, without wasting much of your time, you know I'm going to do it. I'm going to flip this camera and I will show you everything you need to know about this house. Actually, the houses are 7 units. 4 of it comes with a swimming pool, while the other 3 doesn't come with a swimming pool. So you have this unit, this unit, this unit, and the rest of the units is at the back. But for today's video, I'll be showing you this house, and you can call the number that is showing on the screen and let's inspect the other 6 houses. So follow me, let's tour this house together. Okay, so today, welcome to my channel. Today we are touring this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Orchid. So before I go in, I needed to show you the environment where this property is located at, so you can see for yourself that it's a serene environment, a well-developed estate. Yeah, the roads are paved. It's a call to access secured estate. So okay, so today we are touring this 5-bedroom. We have 7 units in total. We have this unit, this one, and this one. So it's a fully detached duplex all around, 7 units, but 4 of it comes with a swimming pool, while the remaining 3 doesn't have a swimming pool. These 2 yeah doesn't come with a swimming pool, and this one comes with a swimming pool. The same design, but the sizes are different. So this one size is bigger than this remaining 2, but for the sake of this video, we're touring this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Orchid, and it's in the market for 450 million naira. Comes with a global CFO, the building approval, it's available. So okay, so before I go in, let me show you the compound space of this our lovely properties. You can see it's quite spacious. You can comfortably park 3 cars or 4 cars right here. It's conveniently park 3 cars or 4 cars right here. It comes with a swimming pool by the side, and yeah, also comes with the fully fitted kitchen. You can see the ground, the car park area. It comes with the stamp floor, inlined with greenery, like green natural carpet grass, to beautify the compound space. Very beautiful. You have your flower pot here as well, and also you have your greenery right here. So you have trees planted by this side. It gives you, serves both as ventilation, gives you good ventilation, and also beautify the compound space. And also this building comes with a CCTV camera. As you can see one over there. As you can see, let me just go close so you can see it. So this is a CCTV camera, so the house is secured. All right, so before stepping inside, let me go around the compound space for you to have a look to see how the compound space look like before entering inside the building proper. So let's go around, so you take a tour with me. As you can see the finishing of this house. See the side, it's looking very beautiful. It has a nice spacing between the fence and the building. So this right here is the backyard. As you can see, these are the other units right here at the back. So if you want to tour any of the houses, you can call the number that is currently displayed on your screen and you can come for inspection. So but for the sake of this video, like I said, we are showing just this one. This is a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. Okay, so this door leads you back into the kitchen. It is locked. So this is the kitchen. This door leads you back into the kitchen, but it's locked. So not to worry. I will go inside and I will show you. I'll show you from the inside. So this door right here is the boys' quarter. comes are also locked. I guess maybe there are goods, materials there, so that's why it's locked. Okay. Okay, so this right here takes you to the pool area. You can see the pool. This is the pool area. So this space, you can decide to construct a gazebo right here. So let me step back so you can see. So you can decide to construct a gazebo, a relaxation spot right here, a gazebo, or you can do it right over there. But whichever one that's convenient for you, you can do. So this is our pool area. It comes with a water fountain. So this is a water fountain. So this is our pool area. Okay. So this is our swimming pool, and you have this space right here. So you're seeing for yourself that this property is spacious. You can see the compound space. See how spacious it is. So you can comfortably park 4 cars right here. 4 cars can be parked here comfortably. Okay. So just have a quick look of the building. It's sitting on 2 floors. Okay. So over here you have a water fountain. It's not on, but just have a quick look. So this is a water fountain that comes with a light. So once it comes on at night, it's going to be beautiful. It beautifies the building. Okay. So we are done. I've done seeing the outside. Let's step inside. So stepping inside, you're greeted with this security door that comes with a biometric access control. So it gives you security. So stepping inside, this is your ante room. Comes with this beautiful light right by this side, and by this side you have your guest toilet. Okay. So stepping in, this is your living area. This is your living area. You have these beautiful flower pots right underneath this there. Okay, so let me come this side so you have a good view of the living area. So this is the living area from this side. See, it's quite spacious. So I want you to see it also from this angle. Okay, so right over there you have this beautiful TV console designed with this float panel design, embedded with this lovely light, beautify the living area. Also comes with the CCTV camera right there. It's beautiful TV console. It's a smart home actually. Comes with Alexa. Okay. So I love this beautiful TV console. It's quite lovely. So you have a window by this side, and you have the other window by this side. See how well lit the living area is. So it has enough windows to let in natural light, and it's well ventilated. Okay, so this side, you can use this side is your dining area. So you have this beautiful wall design here, sculpture wall. So this is your dining area. So right over here you have your kitchen, fully fitted kitchen. Okay. your storeroom by this side. This is your kitchen. So the kitchen comes with a kitchen island, with your gas burner. Kitchen island that comes with the gas burner. You have your heat extractor right at the top. You have your microwave and your oven, and you have your space for your refrigerator. You have lots and lots of cabinets. Lots and lots of cabinets. So you have a double sink, and you have your space for your washing machine. So this door takes you back outside the compound space. So it's locked, I can't open it, but this is the door I was trying to open from outside. So that door takes you outside the compound space. And also the kitchen comes with a CCTV camera for your security. Okay, so we are done viewing the living area and the kitchen. Let's head upstairs and see the rooms for ourselves. Okay. So the stairs is a motion sensor light. I don't know why it's not coming on. It's supposed to go. Yeah, you have to see it well. Okay, so stepping in, lights are coming on. It's having a delay. So lights are coming on. So right here you have your family lounge right on this floor. See how spacious the family lounge is. So over here you have a lovely TV console. Okay, so you have 3 rooms on this floor. You have 1 room right here, and you have 2 rooms adjacent each other. So let's check out this room. So this is room number 1. Okay, so this room comes with an inbuilt speaker. You have your wardrobe by this side, and as usual, all rooms are en suite. WC and your black wall tiles right here. Comes with a water heater. Okay, so we've checked out this room. Let's check out the next room. Okay, so this is the second room on this floor. I guess this should be the kids' room. This is a kids' room. So you have your wardrobe by this side. As usual, rooms are en suite. Comes with the water heater. Okay, so let's check out the last room on this floor. So this is the madam's room. So this is the madam's room. See how well ventilated and how well lightened the rooms are. Especially this one has 2 windows and have access to a balcony. See how well lit the room is. So let me show you outside. So you see balcony. From here you can see the neighborhood, you see the environment, see how. Okay. So right over here you have your wardrobe, where you have your wardrobe. You have additional space right here. So you could decide to design this area. Probably just get creative, look for what you put at this area, or you can leave it like that, or you can decide to add additional cabinets if your clothes are much. Okay, so right here you have your bathroom. This is your shower area. And over here you have your toilet and your water heater. You have your wash your hands sink right here. Okay, so let's check out the other rooms at the last floor. There's a still motion sensor. Okay. So you have two rooms on this floor. I think one of the rooms is closed because of I think this room is closed. So there's something inside there, so like material, so that's why it's closed. But this room is open, and this is our master's bed. So over this side you have your walk-in closet. And it's facing this window. Okay, so this is your master's bed. Comes with this beautiful TV console. So over that side you have your bathroom. Okay, so but before going in, I needed you to have a good view of the master's bed. Also have an access to the balcony. Okay, so the madam's rooms and the master's bed have access to the balcony. So right over here you have your bathroom. You have your bath right here, the bathtub, and over there you have your shower area. You have your suspended WC. You have your mirror by this side, and your wash hand bowl, wash hand sink, and also comes with a water heater. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to the very end. Remember I said this house is valued for 450 million naira, and it comes with a global CFO governor building approval. It's available, and we have 7 units, so this is one of the units, and you can call the number on the screen and you can view the remaining 6 units. So till I come away next time, thank you and God bless you.